The Book of the Damned, by Charles Hoyfort, Chapter 12a, Astronomy. And a watchman looking at half a dozen lanterns, where a street's been torn up. There are gas lights and kerosene lamps and electric lights in the neighborhood. Matches flaring, fires in stoves, gunfires, house afire somewhere, lights of automobiles, illuminated signs. The watchman and his one little system, ethics, and some young ladies and a dear old professor of a very select seminary. Drugs and divorce and rape, venereal diseases, drunkenness, murder, excluded. The prim and the precise, or the exact, the homogeneous, the single, the puritanic, the mathematic, the pure, the perfect. We can have illusion of this state, but only by disregarding its infinite denials. It's a drop of milk afloat in acid that's eating it, the positive swamped by the negative. So it is in intermediateness, where only to be positive is to generate corresponding and, perhaps, equal negativeness. In our acceptance, it is, in quasi-existence, premonitory, or prenatal, or pre-awakening consciousness of the real existence. But this consciousness of realness is the greatest resistance to efforts to realize or to become real, because it is feeling that realness has been attained. Our antagonism is not to science, but to the attitude of the sciences that they have finally realized, or to belief, instead of acceptance, to the insufficiency, which, as we have seen over and over, amounts to paltriness and puerility, of scientific dogmas and standards. Or, if several persons start out to Chicago, and get to Buffalo, and one be under the delusion that Buffalo is Chicago, that one will be resistant to the progress of the others.